break, we have our SkyTalk number 4, presented by Huayu Li. She is the General Manager of Nuctech, America and Oceania. There she is. After you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Just on the right button.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is go back. This is
Okay.
go forward.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you. It will come up now.
Okay.
Just a second.
Huh?
Yes, it's coming.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me. No, it's on.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Huayu Li from Nuctech. And my presentation today will be in 3 parts. First, I'll start with a very brief introduction of Nuctech. And then I will detail about my understanding of aviation security, the trends, challenges, and solutions. And the final part are some emerging technologies that I think may solve the problem for today and for tomorrow. Nuctech is a young company. We started in 1997 and 21 years old now. We focus on security inspection technologies for civil aviation, customs, and transportations, logistics, and so on. And we grow very fast. Last year, our revenue is up to $785 million US, with a notable annual growth rate about 16% in last 5 years, and all by organic growth. Nuctech is a Chinese company, but we operate globally with more than 20 subsidiaries worldwide and 4 manufacturing facilities in China, Europe, and South America. With our global networks, we provide services in 150 countries, 24 hours by 7 days availability. From the latest IHS marketing research, Nuctech ranked number 1 in world cargo inspection and number 3 in explosives, weapons, and contraband detection market. Well, trends, challenges, and solutions. Aviation security consists of 3 layers: aircraft, airport, and airspace, while we only focus on the first 2. And aircraft security usually covers the inspection of checked baggage, cabin baggage, passengers, and air cargo. And the current practice in many countries for checked baggage inspection is this 5-level screening. The first is AT scanning, which use multi-view scanners. And the second is the workstation for AT scannings, where operators can analyze the suspicious images. And this, if the operator cannot decide, the baggage goes to the 3rd level, and that use CT scanners. And the 4th are the workstation for CT scannings. The 5th is the manual check, where the baggage will be opened and checked by secondary inspection equipment. Well, the challenges is the explosive detection capability of AT scanning is not satisfactory, and the false alarm rate is also very high. So as the high-speed CT scannings were developed, the airports start to use a high-speed CT scanner to replace AT scanner at the 1st level, because CT scanner has much better explosive detection capability and much lower false alarm rate. And most important, it is with expandable algorithm to face future threats. And the solution can also integrate the bins with RFID so that the baggage loss rate and the transportation and baggage sorting rate will be reduced. But Nuctech offerings for checked baggage inspection covers a variety of products, like our CT scanners, which can comply with the highest explosive detection standards, and with multiple tunnel size and multiple conveyor speeds to meet particular needs from each airport. And we also have the conventional X-ray scanners, dual view, multi-view, single tunnel, or dual tunnel. Compared with the checked baggage inspection, passengers have more complaints on checkpoint inspection. So many divestment, laptop, liquid, shoes belt, watches, and sometimes with additional security measures like intrusive search. So the whole process is low efficient, less effective, and with poor passenger experiences. But Nuctech cabin CT has every advantage to replace the current conventional or AT scanner. It can generate high-resolution 2D images and 3D images in real time. The 3D image is better to detect explosives and flammables, while the 2D image has better resolution on wires. And if there's anything suspicious, the operator can also get the sliced image for better examination. And moreover, it can detect explosive automatically without any divestment of electronics and liquids. Well, passenger screening is another important part for checkpoint inspection. A Nuctech millimeter wave body scanner integrated with shoes metal detector can greatly improve the detection capability and passenger experiences without any physical pat-down. Well, Nuctech cabin baggage CT, millimeter wave body scanner, combined with automatic tray return system and other elements, constitute this smart solution for checkpoint. And the process is before you entering into security check, you scan your passport, and then you place your baggage in the tray without any divestment. And then you go through the body scanner while your baggage goes to the CT scanner. In the meantime, all your information will be sent to the remote inspection station for analyzing. And then you will be cleared, or you go to the recheck station if anything suspicious. And the suspicious bag goes directly to the recheck station. Well, aircraft security is highly regulated. So each individual government or countries either has its own standards or regulations, or they take use of the best practice of the world. And for example, in Europe, the European Civil Aviation Conference, who used the common evaluation process to provide a common reference of its member states to certify the security equipment in the airports. And TSA makes relative regulations and standards for United States. And in China, it's the CAAC plays a similar role. While Nuctech security equipment are able to comply with the highest standards in the world. What? And air cargo. Compared with cabin baggage and checked baggage inspection, security measures taken by air cargo inspection is much less stringent. So terrorists kept trying to take use of air cargo as a means to carry out attacks. For example, in 2010, Yemen, terrorists packed bomb made of PETN, a sort of plastic explosive, within printer cartridge in the cargo of 2 airplanes. And in 2017, Sydney, improvised explosive device hidden in the meat mincer intended to blow up airplane in mid-air. So the 2 incidents revealed similar weaknesses in air cargo inspection. A number of challenges need to be highlighted here. First, air cargo is non-uniform, very cluttered. So explosives and IEDs are hard to detect. And the previously mentioned plots were only discovered by intelligent sources. So initial inspection by K9 or X-ray screening did not detect the threats. And that is a concern that the routine method of screening of air cargo is not effective. And secondly, goods shipped by air are always under time pressure. So the big bulk screening is very time consuming and labor intense. So that will affect the flow of commerce. So only a small fraction of air cargo is actually screened by X-ray. And thirdly, it is lack of common standards on regulations pertaining to air cargo security technologies. The current practice for air cargo screening is either risk-based or trust-based, like the account consignor program or non-shipper program. So better practice and common standards should be introduced. Well, Nuctech uses different technologies to face those challenges, like our Findex air cargo scanner, which combines the neutron technology and the high-energy X-ray technology. Because both have very good penetration, while neutron has better detection on explosives and drugs, while X-ray is good at detect goods by its density. So this combo technology is very suitable for the screening of air cargo in consolidated form. And of course, we also have EDS and conventional X-ray scanner to scan the air cargo, break bulk or air cargo. And the ETD can be used as secondary inspection. Now it's come to airport security. It usually includes landside security, staff entrance, and good delivery, vehicles entering into the restricted area. But not like aircraft security. Airport security is more about internal affairs. So there's no common standards or regulations, and each airport can take whatever measures they think suitable. It's hard to forget these two terrorist attacks. One took place in Brussels Airport in March 2016. Suicide bomb exploded in the departure hall. And 3 months later, similar attacks occurred in the parking area of Istanbul International Airport. And these two incidents raise the question, should airport taking be doing more to improve landside security? So to mitigate the emerging threats of airport security, Nuctech proposed a solution like this. The cost scanner and cargo scanner can be used as perimeter protection of the airport, as this pre-screening method will not result in a big crowds. And the passive Terahertz body scanner can work randomly and covertly for passenger screening and insider screening. While ETD, liquid scanner, and conventional X-ray can work as secondary inspection for suspicious persons. Now the future. Just now we mentioned that Terahertz body scanner is a possible solution for landside security. And this is how it works. We know human body always emits terahertz. It is a sort of electromagnetic wave between microwave and infrared ray, and with very good penetration, so it can be detected. And taking use of this principle, Nuctech developed a passive terahertz imaging system, which has many features. It is a passive detection, so there's no any concern about radiation safety. And it is standoff detection, so it can work covertly, and people needn't to stop, so there's no any bothering of passengers. And it is privacy protection. The images shows no details about human body features. And it has automatic threat detection. Based on machine learning, it can automatically mark and locate suspicious items and give alarms of a variety of threats, like metal, non-metal weapons, IEDs, suicide belts, narcotics. Well, the Terahertz body scanner can work standalone, independently, or it can work together with the metal detector, and the millimeter wave body scanning, so as to build up a so-called risk-based walkthrough portal solution for the checkpoint. Well, robotics. You must be very familiar with K9, but how about robo-K9? K9 is widely used in civil aviation security, but dogs have many problems and limitations. Like it cannot on duty for a long time, only 3 hours or 2 hours a day. And it is very expensive, needs special training by experienced trainers, and need to be fed well. And it may become sick or even die. So, and it can now take multiple functions. But our RoboK9 doesn't have such limitations. It can work 24 hours by 7 days a week, and no need to rest, no need to eat, automatic charging. It is easy to maintain, self-learning, online upgrading, and it can take multi-duties for customs, security, quarantine services. With the e-nose sniffer, it can detect drugs, explosives, and plants. With the X-ray eye, it generates images of objects inside the baggages. And with the e-sense, it can detect radioactive materials and biological products. And the face recognition can help the law enforcement to identify people on the watch list. And most important, it has lovely appearance, or any appearance as you like. So CT for air cargo. We all know that the trend for both cabin baggage and checked baggage inspection is CT technology. But what about air cargo? Does the CT technology also apply the inspection of air cargo ULD or pallet? The answer is yes. Nuctech CT consolidated air cargo screening system is developed just for this purpose. With the multiple energy X-ray accelerators, the system can generate high-resolution multi-view 2D images, sliced images, and reconstructed 3D image. So the image operator can give more accurate determination of suspicious atom and its location. And it is time efficiency. The tunnel size and the high energy X-ray allows the screening of the whole build-up ULD or pallet with air cargo already consolidated. So last-minute inspection before loading onto airplane is possible. And the cargo handling efficiency will also be highly improved. And it has high detection capability. With the automatic detection algorithm, the system can detect various dangerous atoms automatically, like explosives, lithium battery, mercuries, etc. And it is with a lower cost, ownership cost by reducing time and labor. Artificial intelligence. Well, I believe the future for aviation security will be the era for AI. Because we have everything available now, big data, machine learning, cloud computing, cloud storage, and networks. Only for Nuctech, we have more than 30,000 baggage and cargo inspection systems working every day. So just imagine how many images have been generated. At Nuctech, we know series of AI inspection systems are developed under these circumstances. It is an add-on smart device, can work in a way of plug and play, and it can be connected with multiple inspection equipment, like cargo scanners, EDS, or even conventional X-rays. And it gives accurate identification of various threats. The result of our intelligent image inspection program shows that the machine can be as good as image operator and much faster. And it gives fantastic image inspection experiences because with the help of AI, the image operator feels to be empowered so it can work much efficiently. And it is an effective way of reducing screen time and facing emerging threats, as machine learning can be much more faster than human and with more potential to involve. And with AI technology to be connected with more and more scanning systems, the vision of 100% screening of people, packages, and air cargo in fully automated and attended way will not be just in a dream. Well, it's come to the end, and thank you for listening.
Thank you very much, Hu Yao. We will now break for coffee. Let's say we come back in about 20, 25 minutes. We'll ring the bell anyway to make sure that we're all coming in at the same time. So enjoy your networking, enjoy coffee.